Hiya.
So, are we starting?
Yeah, we're gonna start now, okay. So, last time you saw us, we were, I just arrived at my home, and I was the only one with the camera, so you didn't see Marlon. Did you ever make it home?
No, I didn't. Slept in a bush.
Yeah, so, oh, maybe at this point I should say, we lost all the footage. That's why we're doing this. So if you can't tell, depending on how good our editing skills, we're actually, where are we now, do you think? Alaska? Rio de Janeiro?
Yeah, I thought we were near Senegal, weren't we?
Yeah, Senegal, yeah.
Maybe somewhere.
But yeah, I lost all the footage between Manchester and Bristol, because I'm an idiot. I put the files wrong on my brother's computer because we visited him in Bristol.
It was all so he could try and play a prank on his brother as well.
I was trying to meme my brother because he had a really clear desktop, and I was like, I'm going to piss him off and put all of the files onto his desktop. But you can't do that with big video files, and they all corrupted, and there was no way of getting them back, and I was really sad. You'll see that stuff after this episode though, when sad Adam mourning the death of his video files. But anyway, we went to our mate's house and we got pissed there. And it was really weird doing it halfway through.
Yeah.
Didn't like that.
No. It felt like we were getting false applauses.
Yeah. Like literally halfway through as well, and we felt like that we'd finished. It was hanging.
It was.
It was nice though. I like the friends.
Yeah. But yeah, so to make sure that we didn't get too comfortable, we slept on the floor of our mate's house in our camping stuff.
Yeah.
So, and then after that, we just we set off, didn't we? We went to Staley Bridge.
Smashed it down to Staley Bridge. We met our mate's dad, who'd cycled the world, and he told us about all kinds of lovely shit that just got us back in the mind frame of feeling good about it, because we were kind of down.
It was exactly what we needed to hear after being at home.
That was a pretty standard day.
Yeah,
Did we go to Wilmslow?
It was nice and calm, and then we're on our way to Wilmslow. I almost got run over.
Yeah, that was great footage.
That was, well, we didn't have footage of it, but I almost died.
We visited my grandma.
Oh yeah,
in
she gave us chocolates.
She gave us some chocolates because she's diabetic.
And we needed the energy.
Yeah, that was nice.
And then we went camping in Cumberland. It was lovely.
Hey, get up!
I wanted to cycle!
So, day 2, nothing happened.
Flat. Midlands.
Boring. And every road had bushes on either side, like this tall, so you couldn't see anything.
Yeah, after that, we slept somewhere near Shrewsbury.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Where was it? I don't remember.
It was just in this bit of woodland near Shrewsbury.
Was it
the only bit of woodland near Shrewsbury?
We had a nice sunset, right?
Yeah, beautiful sunset.
See the sunset. Wow, isn't that a nice sunset?
That's beautiful, isn't
wow.
it? And as you can see, you've got winds coming in from the east. I don't know where that just came from. We're in Shrewsbury, we got bought a coffee.
Yeah, we had a nice little morning in Shrewsbury. This lady saw us with our bikes and stuff and was like, what are you doing? We explained it, we're like, it's for charity. She was like, have a coffee
We were
and
like,
a cake.
We were like, yes.
We will, yes. I like Shrewsbury. That's when it started getting hilly again, which is good. Where did we stay that night?
Pass.
Marlon's tyre popped. Oh yeah! Bromfield, what happened there?
I don't remember this one that much.
We don't remember this one, but we'll put up some pictures that we took.
I almost died. Again? 2 times?
Yeah.
This would have been great for you to see.
Yeah, it was great footage, again.
But Adam actually didn't know. I was flying down the hill, and these were tyres that my mate told me can't be popped. And then a fellow cycle tourist in Edinburgh told me they can't be popped because of the Kevlar. It popped.
Foreshadowing. Yeah.
And we were flying down this hill, my back tyre just skidded, and then I had to stop and try and fix it. But Adam bravely went down to the bottom of the hill.
So I didn't know this had happened. I was already at the bottom of the hill, but I waited for like 20 minutes or something, and Marlon still wasn't coming down, so I was like, he might have died. That was a really steep hill. It was pissing it down as well. Like, you could have skidded and done a death. So I did the honourable thing and just waited. That was a big one.
Yeah, that was a full inner tube change, which I'd never done before. Ever.
Yeah, not bad. 16 days in. 17 days.
And all I'd done was buckle my tyre, pop my tyre, break all the
spokes.
The spokes.
Yeah, not much.
I think my bag had broken a little bit. It was wobbling. Yeah, that's about it.
It was fine, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Nothing went wrong with your bike.
To be fair, I didn't see anything wrong with it until he got on it.
Yeah, When I don't know. I don't think we got footage of that, but we swapped bikes just before we got back into England from Scotland, and just to have a go. And I was like, Marlon, this is a death trap. Jesus! Like, he was totally happy with it until I made him realise that it was actually a death trap, and then I kind of opened that Pandora's box for you. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
And now it's still wobbly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Since then we've cycled Wales as well. Oh, you don't need to know that.
That's not in the script!
Day 4.
In the big grass.
In the Too Far Gone tour. We've just left somewhere. Name on screen. Bromfield. And we're going into Wales, which isn't the ideal route, but we wanted to put another country on the list.
Yeah, we did.
We only spent about 50-60 miles in Wales.
Yeah, it was just a one-nighter, wasn't it? You know, cheap little one-night holiday.
Little one. It's nice.
And it was really nice.
It was beautiful. Nice weather. We found a real nice camp spot.
Oh yeah, right on the peak of a national park as well, just a derelict building. But it's just the trees are growing in the inside.
Yeah, got some nice pictures. Check that.
Exhibit A.
Look, there's Mal and there's me. There's my tent. I think, were you in the hammock?
I was hammocking this
bare
one.
midges, weren't there?
Yeah.
Bare midges.
But I slept fine.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good stuff. I'm glad to hear it.
Good sleep.
Nice. Then it came the day when we were gonna cycle to Bristol.
This was really exciting as well.
We were so
going
excited.
Seeing your brother, weren't we?
Yeah.
We knew we were staying inside. And we also had friends in Bristol that we were both going to meet.
We were buzzing for it. And then
The bridge.
Oh man, that bridge.
So how long was it? It's about 2 mile bridge coming from Wales over to Bristol.
Yeah.
That should take 20 minutes to cycle.
It took us over an hour. There was 40-mile-an-hour winds coming like this way. I fell off my bike 3 times.
On the side of the dual carriageway, the barrier was only like this big.
Oh, so
the
scary.
wind would knock you, and if your bike, which is already very heavy, hit that, you'd just be going straight into oncoming traffic.
Yeah, when the trucks go past as well, like messes with the wind. And if you've already stopped, it was so hard to get going again. It was like you're on a massive hill, and then when you're going slow, you just get knocked over easily as well. And I just fell off loads of times. But it was kind of enjoyable.
It was
like,
quite. We were still like giggling until it had been like about 20 minutes, and we realised we should have been across the bridge by now. We'd only gone like 10 feet or something.
And we were gagging to get there. Like, we just really wanted to have a shower. And then the rain came.
Midway through the bridge.
And we got bloody soaked.
No, this is horrible.
The power of editing's really good, isn't it? It made that look really, really good. We got bloody soaked, man.
Yeah.
We finally made it over the bridge. The one cycle path that there was closed. And there was a diversion, but it wasn't a proper diversion.
It said the diversion went down this route, and then what it technically did was turn right, but it never told you, the sign wasn't there. So we ended up going past the proper diversion, down into some farmland, and then going so deep into this farmland, we ended up getting stuck in mud where our tyres weren't turning at all.
We'd walked like an hour into this farm as well. And man, it was so... I was so angry. Because we were just so pissed off.
You fell off again?
I fell off again because I was angry. I got really stupid and I was like, I want to go faster. I want to get out of here, man. And then I fell off and slipped in the mud and then got even angrier. And I think that was the first time he'd seen me angry. I was like screaming, man. It was so weird. That never happens. But yeah, that really got to me. But we didn't film that bit anyway because we were too sad. So we didn't miss out on much there.
To make matters worse, is the only way we could get to the next destination was we had to go on a busy A road with lorries flying past, with the rain coming down. It was terrifying.
It was horrible, man.
Like, I thought at one point I was going to die.
Yeah, there was lots of near-death experience that day.
Lots.
Great footage, probably. Eh? Yeah.
I mean, in what the stories that we've told you, I've nearly died 3 times.
Not enough.
Hey! That's that stage, Andy.
We didn't pay you to speak.
That is in the script.
We made it to my brother's though in the end.
And then we had an absolutely lovely time in
Bristol
Bristol.
was lovely.
Bristol was great. Even though the weather was still terrible, like, Bristol was great.
Yeah, man. We hung out with my brother and Laurie and their cat. I think you got a picture of the cat.
I've got some pictures of the cat.
This is hard to balance, by the way.
Look at
Had
that.
some showers. And then we went out and met 2 of my mates from uni, your mate from childhood.
Yeah. It was really quick. Oh, we both had 2 friends come in, and like, they'd never met each other, and we turned up late. So they all just had to get to know each other in this bar.
Marlon started working behind this bar that we were in.
Oh yeah, just because I wanted to play with the vinyls.
We made one of the waiters put the GoPro on the
Oh, I forgot we got
on
that.
the thing with all the drinks and carry it over to us. It was such a good shot.
We can just add that bit.
No, because I lost that. I broke all the footage on the morning that we set off.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
that would have
it's-
been really good.
It was really good. You'll never see it. My mum and stepdad came down as well and they've stayed with my brother. We had some food. You don't necessarily need to know that.
No.
It's got nothing to do with cycling.
I
You don't
enjoy-
care.
I
You're only
enjoy-
here for the cycling.
You don't care about our bikes.
That's what.
That was it.
That was it. That's what you missed. There's some more episodes after this because I didn't lose that footage.
we got the rest of the footage, so you don't have to deal with this
Yeah. So
setup again.
coming up next time. There's a small chance that the last time you saw us do a talking bit like this is in Manchester, which is a bit spooky, and it's quite sad.
See, they wouldn't have got that in Simmons Bath.
Let's introduce our cast.
Yeah, come on, cast, everyone, take a bow.
I'm Marlon and I cycled from the top of Scotland to the bottom of England and I'm really good at it.
These are our stunt
Well, that's not what Marlon is.
Marlon wasn't good at
Marlon barely made it. Yeah.
We're not sure that this
We don't even know how to work this
I've never
green
done this
screen.
before. It might look shit, it's so creased.
It's gonna look shit. It's gonna look shit.
Right, nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, this is what the GoPro looks like. I bet you've never seen it. Wow. Right, see ya. All the episodes are on green screen now.